Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you step by step how to buy the cryptocurrency basic attention token. This we're gonna do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world and also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description for registration, you save another 20% on trading fees, so that you actually pay 0.08% on fees. So the first step will be that we create an account. Therefore, I put a link in the video description. If you click it, you come to the right registration page, and the 20% trading fee discount is also automatically activated. After you created your account, you just log in at Binance and go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you go here in the menu and click on identification. The identification is necessary to be able to deposit fiat money. Therefore, you just do the verification by clicking here on this verify button and also on this one to increase your limit. And after the verification process is done, you can start deposit money by clicking here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your currency and your payment method. You can use bank transfer and credit card, but you can also click here on crypto and, for example, deposit Bitcoin. Then you just type in this field how much you want to transfer and click after on continue. Now you get the bank details which you need for the bank transfer, so just use them and do the transfer via online banking, for example. After 1 to 3 business days the money should arrive. When the money has arrived, you can click here on wallet and then on fiat and spot. Here you get an overview of all your cryptocurrencies and all your fiat money, and here, for example, I can check if my euro is available. After the money has arrived, we can start buying crypto by first buying Bitcoin, and with Bitcoin we can buy basic attention token. Therefore I search for Bitcoin and click here on trade. There you just choose the trading pair with your local currency. In my case it would be Bitcoin Euro. And now you come to the trading view where you can easily buy Bitcoin with Euro, which you can see here. If this is right, you just scroll down and click here on market order. Now you just type in this field how much money you want to invest, but you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much money of your available euro, in my case, you want to invest. For example, you can use 50% of your euros, or you can use 100% of your euros to buy Bitcoin, and if this is fine, you just click here on buy Bitcoin. After you go back into your spot wallet, and now we can use the Bitcoin to buy basic attention token. Therefore we search for it by clicking in the search bar, and now you can see that it is here, and there you just type on trade and use BUT Bitcoin. Now you can use Bitcoin to buy BUT, which you can see here, and if this is right, you just scroll down, click here on market order, and there you just define how much Bitcoin you want to invest in basic attention token, but you can also use this adjustable bar to define how much of your available Bitcoin you want to invest in basic attention token. If this is fine, you just click here on buy bet, and that's it. If you want to sell your bet, you go at the right side and do it here, and you can click here on sell bet to Bitcoin, and then you can sell your Bitcoin into your local currency. Yeah, that's it for the tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a like and subscribe, and have a nice day. Bye bye.